The electrostatic precipitator system is a duct-mounted, heavy-duty air cleaner system. With a metal casing, it shelters the patented cylindrical honeycomb-structured filter cell that is able to ensure high efficiency of fumes and mist elimination. Without further ado, let me tell you more about the ESP. The ESP helps to reduce smoke and grease from the cooking process. With a built-in honeycomb structure, electric cells generates high-voltage electrostatic fields to capture smoke and grease vapor. It uses digital intelligent high-voltage power and control system. With user-friendly instruction and malfunction self-diagnosing system. It also enables ease of operation and maintenance for users. It is built using stainless steel, which makes it durable and easily maintained. Moving on, the ESP consists of these features: high efficiency, safe design, easy troubleshooting, splash resistance, durable, and maintenance efficient. Firstly, the ESP is highly efficient. This image shows how an ESP cell would look like prior to servicing. With our technology of the honeycomb ESP, incombustible oxidate are formed on the surface of the ESP cell. This makes cleaning easier and cooking safer for our users. Secondly, the ESP has a safe design, adopting an intelligent, industrial electro-control algorithm controller, control and setup of automation protection for cells short-circuit situations are incorporated within the system. High-voltage ceramic insulation can be seen at the edges of the internal ESP cell. It is not just environmentally friendly, but has a higher insulation quality as compared to glass or polymer. A knob is installed as well for easy adjustment of amperage. Thirdly, the ESP is easy to troubleshoot. With exterior indicators for start, stop, and fault, it allowed for quick troubleshooting in the event of malfunction. Fourthly, the ESP is splash resistant. Fire-rated materials are built in. The internal components are protected with water and grease baffle fire safety design. This prevents the spread of fire inside the ventilation ductwork and short circuits to occur. Fifth, the ESP is durable. The product have no expiry date or depreciation in quality. Nonetheless, the service and maintenance should be done on a quarterly basis to ensure that our product is functioning at its maximum capacity. Lastly, the ESP is maintenance efficient. Having a modular design, it ensures easy assembly and disassembly of the ESP cells, which is both optimal for cleaning and malfunction diagnostics. This would thus value add your company, as it greatly reduces the man-hour required to stay back after operation to supervise the maintenance, thus making ESP maintenance efficient.